Book of Heaven, Volume 12, December 22nd, 1920. The creative power is found in the divine will, deaths which give life to others. I was thinking about the most holy will of God, saying to myself, what a magic force this divine will has, what power, what enchantment. Now, while I was thinking of this, my lovable Jesus told me,
"My daughter, the mere word will of God contains the creative power. Therefore, it has the power to create, to transform, to consume, and to make new torrents of light, of love, of sanctity, run within the soul. Only in the fiat is there the creative power. And if the priest consecrates me in the host, it is because my will gave that power to those words which are pronounced over the holy host. So everything comes from and is found in the fiat. And if at the mere thought of doing my will the soul feels sweetened, strengthened, changed, because by thinking of doing my will, it is as if she placed herself on the way to find all goods, what will it be to do it?"
After this, I recalled that years before my sweet Jesus had told me,
"We will present ourselves before the Supreme Majesty with written on our foreheads, in indelible characters, we want death to give life to our brothers. We want pains to free them from eternal pains."
Now I said to myself, how can I do this if he does not come? I could do it together with him, but I am unable to go by myself. And then, how can one suffer so many deaths? And blessed Jesus, moving in my interior, told me,
"My daughter, you can do it always and in each instant, because I am always with you, and I never leave you. And then I want to tell you how these deaths are and how they are formed. I suffer death when my will wants to operate some good in the creature, and departing from me, it brings with itself the grace and the help which are needed in order to do that good. If the creature is willing to do that good, it is as if my will multiplied another life. If the creature is reluctant, it is as if my will suffered a death. Oh, how many deaths my will suffers! Death in the creature is when I want her to do some good, and by not doing it, her will dies to that good. So if the creature is not in continuous act of doing my will, she suffers as many deaths for as many times as she does not do it. She dies to that light which she should have by doing that good. She dies to that grace. She dies to those charisms. Now I will tell you what your deaths are, with which you could give life to our brothers. When you feel you are without me and your heart is lacerated, and you feel an iron hand that clutches it, you feel a death, or rather more than death, because death would be life for you. This death could give life to our brothers, because this pain and this death contain a divine life, an immense light, a creative strength. They contain everything. It is a death and pain that contains an eternal and infinite value. Therefore, how many lives could you give to our brothers? I will suffer these deaths together with you. I will give them the value of my death, so as to make life come out of death. So look a bit at how many deaths you suffer. Each time you want me, and you do not find me, is a real death for you, because you truly do not see me, you do not feel me. For you it is death, it is martyrdom, and what is death for you can be life for others."
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.